Hi grown-ups! Welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing Masterpiece Monday, Wanderlust Wednesday, and Fun Film Friday lessons. On Monday we'll be talking about the artist Gustav Klimt, and your kids will get to make his tree of life. He did it in 2D, they'll get to do it in 3D. On Wednesday, we'll be traveling to the country of Guatemala, and your kids will get to make these Guatemalan worry dolls. Legend has it, if you tell the doll your worries right before you go to sleep and then slip the doll under your pillow, your worries will be lessened in the morning. Guess what? It actually works. Not because of the magic of the doll, just because of the magic of psychology. But these dolls are great reminders for your kids to talk about what's bothering them. And then on Friday, we'll be watching the movie Snow Buddies, or at least we'll be talking about watching the movie Snow Buddies, and your kids will get to make their very own sled balloon dog and sled that the balloon dog can pull. All of the materials for all of these items are listed right below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Of course, I would love to take this moment to plug all of our social media. Please make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and of course, make sure to follow us here on YouTube as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.